Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you could go from a low-fidelity prototype to a high-fidelity prototype, and how you can take pieces from style kit and then turn that into a high-fidelity prototype that can be used for production. Okay, here we are in Figma. We're going to use the file here that is a low-fidelity prototype. We're going to try to take that into a high-fidelity prototype stage using the material design kit that's part of Figma. Here we go. We're going to start off by looking at the different elements. Here we have a header bar here, and then we have a tab bar, and then we have these various elements, imagery. I've imported some imagery of some cats that we can use to put into these different places for our Care app. I'll just build out a few parts of this so you can see how this is done, and then I'll show you how the final screen would look overall. First, what we'll do is we'll go to Assets and then we'll have various components that are already built in. What we'll do first is maybe look for a tab bar. Search for a tab bar here. Here we go. We can look for. This one looks pretty good and we can add that here. Then we can go in and change the texts to match what's in our low-fidelity prototype. In this case, it's sounds. The next one is training. The next one is feeding. That here for each one of these we could actually do some cards that can represent each one of these individual images here. We can search for cards and we have a variety of card designs. You can look for the one that would match up relatively close to what we're looking for. Let's grab this one over here. We can put that here and then we can copy that over and create another card. We reposition that, then you can copy those and move that below. Here we can see the design is starting to come together. We can double-click in each one of these text fields and we can add some of the texts that we see in the low-fidelity prototype. Then we can take some more cat imagery here and we can add it to the prototype as well. We can take that, put that in place, and then we can set various things on it. If we wanted to change the contrast or different elements of the image, we could do that. We could also resize it so it fits in the frame like that. Then from there, we just keep building up the different elements of the frame just to make sure that everything is in place and looking similar to our low-fidelity prototype here, and I can show you what a finished version would simply look like. It might look something very similar to this with all the cats in place. Here, I added a tab bar as well, which is one of the elements that you can add as well. Then here I gave this a little color. I added some text here at the top using the text tool, and I added a little icon here as well. That's about it. I filled it out with some more text here for each part. That's how we build a high-fidelity screen from a low-fidelity prototype. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching and we hope to see you in the next video.